Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Pilot key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model and gather the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Prepare a soft surface to protect your key fob during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid scratching or damaging any of the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take note of which side, positive or negative, is facing up. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, making sure to match the orientation you observed. The positive side should face the same direction as the old battery. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, including the lock, unlock, and panic buttons, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.